like this and like this, but you've never seen any that work like that, right? Or we're going to find out that I'm wrong, and that basically it's not worth calling it a space because it is so random and so jumbled up that we've been able to make zero progress in linking the embodiments that we make to the patterns that come through.
Yeah, just to be clear, I mean, from your blog post on this, from the paper, I mean, we're talking about space that includes a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Includes a human, what is it, meditating? Steve. Hello, my name is Steve. AI systems, so all the space and computational systems, objects, biological systems, concepts. It includes everything.
Well, it includes specific patterns that we have given names to.
Right.
Some of those patterns we've named mathematical objects. Some of those patterns we've named anatomical outcomes. Some of those patterns we've made psychological types.
So every entry in an encyclopedia, old school Britannica, is a pointer to this space.
There is a set of things that I feel very strongly about because the research is telling us that's what's going on. And then there's a bunch of other stuff that I see as hypotheses for next steps that guide experiment. So what I'm about to tell you, I don't, these are things I don't actually know. These are just guesses that you need to make some guesses to make progress. I don't think that there are specific, or I don't know, but it doesn't mean that there are going to be specific Platonic patterns for this is the Titanic, and this is the sister of the Titanic, and this is some other kind of boat. This is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, in some way that we absolutely need to work out, when we make minimal interfaces, we get more than we put in. We get behaviors, we get shapes, we get mathematical truths, and we get all kinds of patterns that we did not have to create. We didn't micromanage them, we didn't know they were coming, we didn't have to put any effort into making them. They come from some distribution that seems to exist that we don't have to create. And exactly whether that space is sparse or dense, I don't know. So for example, if there is some kind of a Platonic form for the movie The Godfather, if it's surrounded by a bunch of crappy versions and then crappier versions still, I have no idea, right? I don't know if the space is sparse or not. I don't know if it's finite or infinite. These are all things I don't know. What I do know is that it seems like physics, and for sure biology and cognition, are the benefits of ingressions that are free lunches in some sense. We did not make them. Calling them emergent does nothing for a research program. Okay, that just means you got surprised.